Good day everyone. In this video tutorial, as you can see on the screen, you can change your Microsoft Office into dark mode settings. Using dark mode settings can reduce eye damage according to some research, and also it helps our battery to become last longer usage. Now, let's begin and just follow simple steps on the screen. First, open your Microsoft Word. In this video I'm using Microsoft Office 2019 version. Lower version is supported but limited to Microsoft Office 2013, up to latest versions. In Microsoft Office, some individuals try to locate dark mode settings into the option menu. Sad to say, Microsoft did not put in there. Now let's take a look at the option menu. And let's see. As you can see, all settings there are related to customization items. Microsoft put the dark mode settings into the account menu. And now, go to File, and click Account menu, at the bottom of the left pane. OK, under the Office theme, select the drop-down menu, and choose Dark Gray. And see what happened. If the Microsoft Office changed their theme, congratulations! You did it! Your dark mode settings are applied to all Microsoft Office package. You can explore by opening the package, just like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and many more. Thank you for watching. In behalf of our team, we hope that we help you in a simple ways. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials. You may also give a comment for your suggestions and recommendation to us. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, or share this to your friends. Thank you.